Welcome to REIN Garage. Come on in. Carlo, you done? Get back to work, bro.
Hey guys, it's...
Oh wait, it's my good side, sorry.
Oh, okay. Okay guys, so today we've got REIN from Alpha Garage. Okay, so today guys, we've got Alpha from REIN Garage. So what do we have here? So where are we today?
We're in the headquarters.
Nice, nice. And where's your Lambo today?
Yeah, that wasn't my Lambo.
Oh,
that was a friend's.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. So what's your car? Is this your car here?
Mike, you know what? I'll show you another time, but it's green and it's got a red roof. I'll show you later.
Did you wrap it yourself?
No, we didn't. Just
okay, it's
factory
stock color.
color.
Oh, right.
I'll show you
okay,
later.
well, stay tuned, guys. So the next episode, we'll have REIN's Alpha's car. So yeah, next episode we'll have Alpha's car on the show. So why don't you show us around your shop?
Yeah, I'd love to. So basically, this is our wrap bay. We've got space for 3 cars. We've only got 1 at the moment. The rest of the cars were done for the HIN show. But this is the last car that we were working on. It had a livery wrap on the car, and the customer wanted a full black wrap because he's selling the race car. So if you know anyone that's interested, this car's for sale. Oh yes, also, the rest of the shop, this is our detailing bay.
Wow, so what are these things here?
Those are my business partner's trophies.
Oh,
yeah, they're not mine. They're
would you like to shout him out?
Yeah. So he won hottest stance. This was last year HIN.
Did he win any this year?
He didn't win this year.
Oh, okay.
This is hottest USDM. The trophies are better anyway from last year.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Yeah. They're glass, but he dropped one of them, so he broke it. It's all super glued. Yeah. Still a trophy. This is his trophy as well. So he's actually got 3 compared to my only 1.
So why is yours a lot smaller than you?
I don't know, they used to call me Mr. 3-inch. Yeah. My number plate.
Oh, okay.
My number plate was supposed to read Mr. REIN,
but
because of the 3-1 end, people used to read it as Mr. 3-inch, so I'm stuck with that name.
I thought it was because you were 3 inches off the floor, bro.
That's, yeah.
Just say, oh yeah, you were hanging 3 inches off the floor. So what do you have over here?
This is my brother's trolley for his wrap stuff.
Okay. So do you do any of the wrapping yourself?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So who's your main wrapper?
That would be my brother, which I'll introduce you in a second.
Done.
This is our detailing bay. As you can see, we use all the, we try to use all the German brands if we can. So we're trying to stick to Koshemi. Believe it or not, our brand is actually German. REIN.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting.
REIN means untarnished or pure.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's pretty cool.
So is that why it sounds like name? Oh, okay, lucky. Okay.
We try to use the best stuff. Try to stick to a German brand, German coating. We've recently introduced G-Technic, which is from the UK as well.
Nice. It's around the corner.
Around the corner.
The neighbours.
Yeah. So yeah, we try to keep everything high quality, and we obviously, we employ the best wrappers we can find, the best detailers we can find.
Of course.
Just trying to give the customers the best we can.
Nice, and you've got quite the community coming over here as well. Like, you've got a lot of support here. Like, we're going to be speaking to some of the guys who are just kind of hanging around here today. You built a really big, of community around here, and love the vibe. I mean, that's the whole reason why we're here today. We're all about the vibes.
Thank you.
So, the vibrations. But yeah,
we didn't want it to be just a wrap shop or just a detailing shop. We wanted to be more of a community, a brand, where people can, I guess, hang out and go to shows and just show off everybody's cars, and that's what we like to do.
Of course. And is it true that you pressure everyone to get bags to win trophies?
That's very true. That's very true.
And why is that? Why do you are you a firm believer that if you want a trophy at a show, you need bags?
No, I think it's more about standing out. Like, the only way for you to stand out is, I guess, for your car to be on the floor, and it's very hard being static. Going to
the shows. Sometimes,
and a lot of shows, their requirements is to have bags.
Really?
Yeah. Believe it or not.
Okay. So I mean, you reckon that's why at Hot Import Nights when we went, pretty much all the cars were slammed on the floor?
Yeah, pretty much. I got a text from the guys at HIN. They said, Alpha, you're allowed to bring cars, but just make sure they're all bagged. So I had to put the pressure on the boys. Boys, if you want to come, you got to bag your car.
And is it true that you have a sign just on your roller garage?
Yes, we do.
Yeah, what does that sign,
the sign says, please air out or your car will be towed away.
And have you had anyone get their car towed away yet?
No, not yet, but I will. I will.
Nice. And I mean, a lot of your cars that you kind of work on here are JDM and, kind of Japanese cars. Now, was your initial intention to kind of work more on Japanese because you did kind of try to stick with not Japanese, I mean German? I mean, was your first target kind of demographic, was it intended to be German, or, did you kind of you were just like, I love all cars, like...
Look, I love all cars, obviously. But as a brand, we are trying to stick to the European market.
Yep.
Partly because of the brand that we want to showcase.
Of course.
I guess for us, we are trying to stick to the European market, but obviously we can do all of JDM cars, and we are trying to focus on show cars at the same time as well, because that's where we want to associate our brand.
Yep.
But all cars and makes and models.
Of course. And I guess what do you guys offer here at REIN Garage? Like what can you guys do?
Our main bread and butter is, the detailing, ceramic coating. We do vinyl wrapping, so color change.
Nice.
We also do paint protection film.
Nice. And do you guys do bags as well?
We supply bags, but we work closely with House of Stance as well, and they do all our installs.
Nice.
Yeah.
Shout out to House of Stance, Mike. We interviewed you at Hot Import Nights.
Yeah.
So if you guys haven't watched that episode, go watch it now. And we spoke to Alpha about his Lambo. That actually, is now revealed that it's not actually his Lambo. So whose Lambo was it?
It was Nico's.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's actually his Ferrari and Largo 812.
Right. And it was actually a 101.
It was a 101, yeah. Shout out to Nico.
Have you done any work to it?
No. He's just a friend. Okay. Just borrowed his car. I know he's going to win an award, but Nico.
Put a rain sticker on it.
Put a rain sticker on it.
I love it, man. I love it. Okay, show us a little bit more of your shop.
Over here we've got the bins, we've got the vacuums.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, yeah, it's my tool over here.
This is our color wall chart. So we do Avery, we do 3M, and we also do Inositech. We love Inositech, they're just around the corner. We'll show you their shop in a later episode. And Erkin's trophies.
More to come.
This is our inspection sheet. We've actually made inspection sheets for, that's actually my old car.
Oh, really?
Had an M3.
Wow.
Used to, not anymore.
Why'd you get rid of the M3?
And then we made an inspection sheet for Erkin's Mustang as well.
Nice. So do you guys make inspection sheets for specially for every car that comes in?
Not for every car, just the cars that we like.
So did you make one for the M4?
We love Teslas. We made an inspection sheet for Teslas, for Model Y and Model 3s.
Oh, nice.
We love wrapping.
So do you guys do a lot of Teslas?
We love wrapping Teslas. You know why? Because we don't have to do door handles. We don't have to do the roof. It's the best.
True.
Imagine trying to wrap everything and then you're like, gotta do the door handles.
Has that happened to you before?
Yeah. Well, it hasn't happened to me, but it happens to my brother.
Oh. Well, it doesn't happen to you because you don't wrap the cars.
No, I don't wrap the cars. I'm just the quality control guy. I look at, oh, this one's lifting. Can you fix it?
Wow. You know what? I'll tell you, you are the favorite person of every workplace in the world.
Thank you.
Everybody loves the people like you that, you know, keeps them accountable.
Yeah.
And tells them, yep,
Yeah.
you've missed the spot.
Yeah,
Do
that's
the
it.
whole thing again.
That's it. That's why we're here. That's why we employ the best, so that I can make sure they do the best work.
We're here with,
Ale from REIN Garage.
yep,
I'm the lead installer here.
nice, nice. And what do you install?
I install the wraps at REIN Garage.
Wraps? Nice, nice.
of
And
them.
how long have you been wrapping for?
I've been wrapping since November of last year, so
Nice.
2022.
Nice, nice. And what was your first car that you wrapped? Was it here at REIN Garage or?
I wrapped my brother's M3,
Yep.
my brother being Alpha.
Yep.
It was in his garage.
Oh, so it was actually like REIN Garage.
It was in his garage at his house, which actually looked like this.
Oh, really?
Well, the floors.
Is that why he got
Yeah.
the floor? Wow, makes sense. Trying to make it like home.
Yeah.
Nice,
Feels
nice.
like home.
Okay, so that was the first car that you wrapped. And what would you say is the best car that you wrapped to date?
The Toyota MR2.
Yeah,
That was by far the hardest
Yep.
and my best wrap to date.
yeah, yeah. And did you wrap this beautiful thing here? Tell us about this.
Yeah. Yeah, so I wrapped this M3. Oh, is it M4?
I love it. Okay.
I just finished this M4 tonight, just then actually.
Nice.
It's a race car. It had a full livery on it, and we unwrapped the whole vehicle, and we installed a new wrap, 3M gloss black. Is it? Gloss metallic black from 3M.
Nice, nice. And did it take long to wrap it, or what was the hardest part as well of the car to wrap?
Took us 4 days to wrap this car fully. The hardest by far would be the front bumper.
Yeah. Okay. Nice, nice. And do you get a lot of hard cars to wrap? What is your favorite car to wrap, personally?
Would be the Tesla.
Tesla. And why is that?
It's the easiest, and it's pretty much it.
Do you have to take any parts off the Tesla? Or is there a lot of times where you need to take parts off the car to wrap it?
So we can take parts off at an additional price.
Yep.
For Tesla, for example, most of them are white, and when it comes to the quarter panels, it's hard to cover all that white. So what I do is I remove the fenders and wrap them fully.
Carlo, have you been in a race car before, bro?
Nah.
Bro, try get in there. I want to see how you get in there. Can you do us a tutorial on how to get in and out of a race car?
Okay. So, bro, how am I gonna fit in there, bro? Okay, guys. So today we're gonna do a tutorial on how to get into a race car. So as you can see, it's fully stripped. Yeah. Bro, how am I gonna do this? Bro, that's not gonna work, bro. I gotta strategically plan this, bro. Yep.
You got it. Now,
Yeah,
put the leg in. Just hold on to the roll cage. That's it. Pull yourself up. That's it. That's it. That's it. Put the other leg in.
Trying, bro.
That's it. That's it. All right. You comfortable? That's it. Yeah, those seats are extra small. And I'm guessing you're extra large.
At least I'm secure.
You look very secure.
All right, close the door.
All right.
All right. All right. Bro, I could get used to this. All right, so how do I get out? Is there a handle here?
Yeah, let me open it.
Oh,
All right.
sweet. All right, guys. So I'm gonna try and get out of this thing.
You gotta stick one leg out first. Yeah. Bro. Let me help you. All right. You all right?
Bro, are you all right? I stepped on your feet, bro. Oh my gosh.
Well, you did a good job. You got out.
I would probably daily this.
You would?
I'll definitely daily that.
It's for sale.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay, so what? Message you guys on Instagram if someone wants to buy it?
Yeah, just message us through Instagram.
Say it to the camera, bro.
we'll get you in touch to the owner.
Why are you always so awkward, bro?
Eventually.
Thank you for coming with us on this garage tour. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And all our links are down below for our website. And you're watching Samurai Rain TV. Carlo, look. From the RX-7, bro.